Hi, my name is Sammy Mhaule. I'm the founder and the CEO of Kicks Sportswear. Today we're in Khayelitsha to affect and to empower the youth of Khayelitsha as well as the community of Khayelitsha. We're here today because I believe it's very important to play a part in the community, to be able to be a platform of entrepreneurship. We want to be able to be a platform where we can create jobs, we can also affect our community. I work with TEA because I believe on the initiation of job creation as well as allowing people to have space to be able to grow, to be able to create things. I'm a great believer of knowledge. We are able to exchange knowledge, we are able to trade together. We're here today at Milky Bar, Khayelitsha in Cape Town, and the effect of our presence today, it changes life, it's affecting business as well.